Namaste everyone, welcome to Centum CS. In the last video we discussed about modifying images of chapter 2, part B, unit 1, information technology 402. So in this session we'll discuss about drawing objects, how to use the drawing objects, how to create it, setting or changing properties of drawing objects, resizing drawing objects, grouping drawing objects. These are the four topics which we are going to discuss in this video. LibreOffice Writer provides drawing tools to create flowchart, callout and other diagrams. These tools are easy to use and help in the designing high quality diagrams. LibreOffice Writer provides drawing tools to create flowchart, callout and other diagrams. These tools are easy to use and help in designing high quality diagrams and drawings. Once created, drawings can be directly inserted into the document. The diagrams can also be copied or imported into the other software or packages. Then let's see how to use this drawing tool. So for that, to display drawing tools in the writer window, click on View. View, toolbar, you are supposed to select drawing. I'll select both drawing and drawing object properties. Can you see? This is drawing tool bar available here. This toolbar contains various basic drawing objects of different types to create any design of your choice. In LibreOffice Windows, the basic drawing objects, can you see this? I have taken the screenshot of it and it is available here at the bottom. Basic drawing objects tools are available here. This is select, this is insert line. These are the lines, directions, shapes, polygonal shapes, rectangle, rounded rectangle, square, ellipse, circle, isosceles triangle, right angle triangle, basic shapes. You have to click on the drop down list. You will get all the basic shapes. Different symbols you will get. Different directions you will get. Stars you will get callouts, you will get flowchart symbols, you will get block arrows, 3D objects you will get text, insert text, font. So all those basic drawing objects you will get at the bottom of the window. There are many default drawing objects used to create design in the document, which I have already shown you now. To use them, place the cursor in the document where you want the drawing to be placed. You can use the anchor, okay? Then you can change the anchor later if required. Select the tool from the toolbar. The mouse pointer changes to drawing function pointer. Okay, let me select this one. Let me select this one. This is called the drawing pointer. This is called the drawing function pointer. So move the pointer to the place in the document where you want the image to appear and then click and drag to create the drawing object. Click and drag to create the drawing object. Release the mouse button to finish drawing, which we have done. I can take up a different drawing object. Okay, can you see? This is the drawing function pointer and I am trying to create a mathematical curve. To cancel the selected drawing function, I can say escape key. This is what I have selected. To cancel it, I can just press escape key. LibreOffice Writer allows you to change the properties of the drawing objects. The drawing object property toolbar provides tools to customize object. You can move, resize, rotate, edit and configure various aspects of the object. Object properties can be modified. There are two situations where you can modify the object property. One is before creation, one is after creation. So before creation by setting default values. After creation by selecting and editing the object directly. So you can use the toolbar or right click on the object to access and modify its property. Let's see how we can do that. To set the properties before drawing the object, follow the given steps. From the drawing toolbar, select the object you want to draw. I wanted to draw circle. I'll select this object. Okay, next. From the drawing object property toolbar, where are we going to get the drawing object property? When we select a drawing object, it will be displayed here. This is the drawing object property toolbar. It will be more when you select and apply it on the window. We will see that also. So before that, what is given, we will follow. I have selected circle here and I will increase the thickness of the line to 40. Okay. Then change the value of the parameter. I have changed the value and I am giving line color also. I can give red. Next, repeat steps 2 and 3 to change all desired properties. Right now I want only this property to be applied to display. So draw the desired figure by following the steps given in the previous section. The thing is, just apply that. We saw in the previous section how to insert a object in the window. So just there is a drawing function pointer, then use that. I have just dragged it out. We got a circle with this particular line thickness and the color what we have changed this. Changes done in the properties of an object before creating it are available only for current session. Let me select right angle triangle. Now I will apply the properties. Let me use the thickness 10. Let me change the color. Let me see what are the options available. I want to insert caption. So all these things can be done after inserting a object. Resizing drawing objects. Sometimes you may want to change the size of the drawing to accommodate it at a particular place in the document. This can be done either by changing its size or by changing its shape and size both. Follow the steps to resize a drawing object. Step 1. Select the object to be resized. All 8 handles on the corner and edges will be visible. We'll select see, these are the corner, the middle one, the middle square. Can you see? These are the edges. The other 4, these are the corner ones. Okay. So select the object to be resized. I have selected this object to be resized. Now I can see all the 8 handles. Click on any of the handles and drag it to its new place. The object will be scaled up or down depending on your action. Scale up or down depending on your action. Also, whether the object shape will be retained or not will depend on the handle you choose for resizing. See, if I choose the edges one, the shape will not retain. Got it? So, the same thing if I use corner ones. Use corner ones, shape might retain, but you keep on hold of shift key and do it, your shape will retain. If you don't keep hold of shift key, again it depends on corner one might retain depending on how you choose. It might not retain the shape even if you select corner. But when you select shift and drag corner, definitely it will retain the originality, but the size changes. When you draw an object of multiple overlapping shapes, consider if I enlarge and my triangle is overlapped with one more triangle and a circle, I'll draw one rectangle. I wanted to, insert a smiley. Now, there are many shapes which are overlapping. They appear as a single figure on the screen. On the screen, this appears to be a single one. However, each shape is still a separate entity. Even they look combined. To edit the drawing, you must work on an individual shape unless grouped. There is some concept called as grouping. We will discuss about it in the next session. Can you see? This is a single object. This is a single object. This is a single object. So, every objects are independent. You can resize independently. You can combine them together, group them, and you can resize with grouping also. So now, what does this grouping do? Grouping helps in moving, resizing or editing the entire set of shapes as a single unit. Grouping drawing objects. LibreOffice Writer allows grouping these different shapes to behave as a single entity without affecting their size and position. Once grouped, all shapes belong to that group become its member, and a change applied on one member works on all. To group the drawing objects, select the object by clicking over it. Okay, now I want to group few objects together, so I will select. Step 3. Select a group tool from Drawing Object Properties. Toolbar. Selecting from main menu. If you want to select from main menu, it is from Format. We have Group Shapes. Group will also work. Here I have grouped. This process will group the selected drawing objects. There are 4 options under group option. These are group, ungroup, enter group, exit group. The icons from these options are also present in Drawing Object Properties toolbar. This group, enter group, exit group, ungroup. Format, group shape, yes, group, ungroup, enter group, exit group. So now what I can do is, I have already grouped this objects. Can you see? I can move all the objects together. I can resize the group object. Okay, let me resize the group object. Can you see? I have resized the group object. I can exit from the group. I can ungroup. You can check. Every single object can be accessed separately when it is ungrouped. In this video, we discussed about drawing objects. How to use drawing objects, where are we going to get those drawing objects, setting its properties, then resizing drawing objects, grouping and ungrouping of drawing objects. In the next video, we will be discussing about positioning image in the text. Till then, bye-bye. When you ungroup it,